I'm back! Hello guys, back to another video again, finally. It's been ages since I last made a video because, I don't know, I just couldn't be bothered. And I did record one earlier for the release of the success of the new band map, which was the temple one, and I did the checkpoint stuff, I did everything. But my phone's on silent mode, so I didn't record any audio, so I just gave up. But I want the content creator stuff now, so I am going to do things. Without further ado, let's check out the new wiring. So this is the new research facility. It's
Right, let's start that again. Because the movie would look bad if I was like,
cool. I've already been
and
here.
then
I've already
someone
bought
started jabbing that into me, okay?
radiation bombs and
So
stuff.
we
Dad, you gotta get the kid.
Alright, we cast.
I only work half the time.
You already have one. But come on.
I'll be behind the scenes.
Yeah,
Can I be behind the scenes?
Like you can see,
wait,
I've already
Dad,
gotten
you
the
go
book
pretend
and
you're
stuff
hacking
there.
the
No, you're
Which
being
there is a book
computer.
and stuff
funny
there.
in the movie. Or not.
I could be
Hack,
behind the
hack,
scenes.
hack.
Oh, yeah, you
And
can make
hack,
my
hack,
phone.
hack,
Can you make
hack,
my
hack,
phone?
hack.
I can make it.
So
guys.
first of all, the stuff I've added is
Gotta hack it.
trigger things I don't fully understand, but from my understanding is when you go through them, you activate something.
Before we cast, I have an idea.
And like it's been rigged up here, where if you go through a certain number
So
of
you're
times,
going
you
to
get the red
escape
key.
and go in
You
there.
get red keys right
And then
away.
when you come
I need to make myself
You get the red
look more
key
like a hacker.
from
1 second.
up here as well.
and then you're gonna be
Making
down
myself
there.
look more like a hacker.
So pretend that I'm by you. Pretend
Excuse
that
me
I'm by
guys,
you,
I will
and
just
he's gonna
destroy
be
these
here,
kids now.
And I'm gonna be like, well, you're caught now. And you're gonna activate the button, and you're gonna escape with the red key, okay? Hey, so you're going to escape. You're going to escape. You're going to escape. You've got the red key. Yeah, we need it.
Do I have to go
Guys,
straight
start
away?
hacking.
Come on, guys.
Right,
We have to get
as
to
I
the
was
middle.
saying,
Can I be
Do I
there?
have to go
there's a red
straight
key
away?
over here, up here, sorry.
Do I have to go straight
And this
into
is
there
easy
and
to
get
get,
the
so if you want to
red
get it
key?
through there,
Red
just
key.
come up here, grab this,
No, we're
put it in slot here, which is really cool. There's more ways to get red keys, that's definitely the only one. There's the one over there that I just showed you with the trigger thing.
Start hacking.
The one in here, which is very hard to get, you need to throw, you need to hit all of these buttons within like 3 seconds or something, and then it'll give you a red key. But that's probably, well, not probably, it is very hard to do. And I don't recommend trying it, so yeah, no, throw.
Try to delay it a little bit.
Do it.
I need
Oh,
to
come
get it
on!
extra slow. I have to get some.
You clipped it through the wall.
Let's go. Right, and then
Tut.
you're
Right.
gonna take the key, and then I'll show you the rest of the scene. You're gonna take the key.
I'm gonna do it
Yeah,
this
can you
time.
open it? Okay, you can do it this time.
Like this.
Wait, let me give that a retry. Retry? Take 2.
Yeah, sure,
The main
take it.
character.
Oh my god! You like wedged it in the wall like a
Take
knife.
2.
Yes! Yes, you did it! Right, so this is the new area.
Because he got trapped.
It's got like a
Now open this, and you
With
have the key to get
green.
away, okay?
okay.
Help me! Help!
It's got a weird green acid
Yeah,
ribbon.
and you're gonna be up there because
I'm up here, open the door!
and then
Coming
yeah.
for you!
What's gonna happen?
So am I gonna break through the bed?
No.
Jump up bud. Or will I
By
already
you.
be there?
By you. This is how it's gonna work, and this is what you're gonna do. I'm going to arrest you.
I'm coming for you!
Go on the slab, and then I'll be like, you've been so
I'm just
bad.
opening my menu.
And then you're gonna be like, binoculars.
Where'd you
And
go?
he's gonna trap you down there, and,
And then
to
I'm
make a
gonna have
move.
the key. And I'm gonna
No.
have the key.
Yeah. And no,
Guys,
no,
let's
no,
redo
no,
that scene.
We're starting to get down there.
Guys,
Right,
let's redo that
We're starting.
scene.
We're starting
A
the
crane
movie, bro.
needs to be down there to activate it.
Exactly, and that's what Binocular Guy's gonna be doing. Because he escaped. Binocular
No.
Guy's
You know what I'm saying?
We're restarting
Yeah,
the
I'm
movie.
saying about all the. Oh, hi.
I hate
Sorry, can I just have that back?
No,
please?
you
Thank
did that. Hey, here
you
you
knew.
Hey, here. Get some
There's loads of ways to get rid. There's so much new stuff. So this is like a secret bonus page where both these tags can be turned on. It opens up the radiation, and you can press this.
Radiation.
It closes,
Guy in the box.
and you can press this over here to open
I'm
it.
gonna get it this time.
Pretty
I'm gonna
cool.
get it this time.
Oh,
I'm gonna do it this time. I'm gonna get
it's
the
pretty
key
cool.
first try.
By the way, guys,
Here. I'm
you
gonna get
fit.
the key.
I can't really see it.
Yeah,
because mine-
fits.
I've got shoulder view on.
Hey, you're arrested.
Watch this.
Fit.
Watch this.
You like it?
Come with me.
Beautiful. Oh,
Needs to go to the bloody thingy.
no, give it
I
back.
got
Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back.
Come on.
Sorry, I forgot to put you back in my holster. Go on. Okay. There's a new parkour course over here.
Let's go
Which
gambling.
turn on all of these lights
Oh no.
to unlock that, which gives you the white key. Still got something like that. You can use this. Okay.
Go.
Oh, congratulations. You can come up here, which you can just do from start if you want. Control people trying to do it. Stuck in here forever. There's no way to leave.
Where'd your camera go?
There's a new tech web, of course. There's a new tech web, tech web over here, which has which has basically got those weird pipe thingies, but it's wires and actually something I'd recommend buying. There's a little dude here.
Buy the radiation bombs. The radiation bombs are good.
There's these, it's slow motion, so there's pulse gate, which is like
in my way. Drink hot cocoa, yeah.
wireless transmitter and receiver, so you can like create something like this, which opens the door over there.
Oh man.
So you can like basically do a remote. You could basically don't need wires if you've got that.
Get in here. Oh yeah.
There is a small powered spring rod, which is like the other one.
These are good.
I've already got it. Yeah, I've already got it.
Open
Which is basically like those other ones that are in playground stuff, but you can power it. I don't know. I don't understand it. The valve, steering wheel, sorry, which does nothing. Barrel does nothing. These are power tables that need power to work. You can turn off power and they won't work. Up here are the key things that if you have enough, that I would highly recommend getting for your like houses and stuff. It's really good. Just try and make your way up here if you can. It's definitely worth it, isn't it right? We should
It's
get that.
800 for these. Each of these are 800.
Yeah, but it's definitely worth it because I honestly.
Yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it.
There's light bulb 1x1, which that's like 2x1 actually. But
Where?
whatever.
Wait, no. Fire you. Wait, everyone go back to planning site. Everyone go back to
There's these gate thingies I don't understand, but they are real life types of thingies. I don't know what they're called. I don't understand them, but whatever. You can work it out. Check out. I'm a rainbow. And he'll explain it.
Oh, cocoa.
Yeah, there's these weird radioactive signs, which are
You're gonna get the purple key, and then once you escape, you're gonna be better
over
use
there.
it. Then gonna do a
My
flashback.
headset's 10%.
We're then gonna.
So I don't know. You might want to use
We're gonna
it.
do a flashback, and once I get the purple key, you're gonna be in cage. You're gonna be in a cage.
I'm gonna hit a cool trick.
I don't know.
I'm gonna throw the key in the door.
What about me?
These are like
Red key.
things that delay.
Everyone go back to
Make sure activated things delay, and this is basically this is a party button, but they made me waste my money. So
The parts are really fun.
Start acting.
yeah,
Start acting again.
that's about it.
They're getting
That's about
away!
stuff. Oh, there's powered retractable sites, which require power to like come out. So that's really good for parkour. But there is a new. Can you open the door, please? Since you've got a key. No, just do it.
I did it!
Yeah!
Well. I thought better of you.
Ah! If you come on top of these and that, it'll activate a delay mechanism, which you can come over to here. You'll find the purple key. I've already got it, but whatever. Then, I'll just open this. Oh, thank you.
I'll open it.
Yes, open it. Open it.
You guys are gonna be in
No. I'm tired. You're shenanigans. Anyway, take the purple key and through the test lab thingies. The corner here where you can open this, and you can get a bookcoin stash. There's another bookcoin stash quite close.
I went flat.
Over
They're getting away. Get binoculars.
in here, there. And if you want, you can like come up there.
You were too lazy to catch me.
Improvise. Come with me.
It's too dark.
Come on.
The lights on. Makes us look dingy. My mother always says dingy.
Wait, no,
Hey,
binoculars.
this I could show the middle finger.
Watch this. Watch this.
And
Guess this.
yeah,
Watch this.
that's about it. Maybe
Yes.
we'll like
Wait, where's binoculars?
check out this stuff and then we'll go. So come in here. There is a TV screen. This is like showing off some of the stuff.
You're under arrest.
These two both at the same time. Turn it on the TV screen. My face. Isn't this so entertaining? Couldn't you just watch it for all eternity because you can't move because you're an inanimate object?
We're in the fence.
Guys, could someone tell me how to get
You can
the
come in
key?
here. I've already shown this off. Shoot all the things at the same time, or press them all at the same time, whatever. You get that?
We're in the
You
vent.
can come in here.
We're in the vent.
Turn this on and off. I've already shown this as well. And what power teleporters. And another edge. There.
Then I opened the door.
You really thought you could escape?
That's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna edit this and then submit it for video challenge 2.
They're escaping.
It's gonna be very fun. I'm getting the CC stuff now.
Oh, they're getting away.
The content creator stuff. First step, finally. I haven't posted in ages. Yeah. Bye!